What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In this video, you and I are going to be drawing the Monkey Kid from Lego. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to come down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Let's draw that same sized oval on the right side. So we're going to line at the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small circle along the top of each eye for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom areas of the eyes in black. Now we're going to place the eyebrows on top of the eyes. Let's start on the inside of the left eye, bend this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the inside, bend this in and up. Let's bend the eyebrows coming out and then down towards the side. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrows. From the inside, we're going to step up, trace that curve going up and then out towards the top. And then we're just going to taper this out towards a point along the side. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now just underneath the eyes on the side, we're going to add a curve going up and out for a wrinkle. And then we're going to shift the mouth over towards the left. Just underneath that left wrinkle, add a curve going out or along the corners of the mouth. In the middle, come down and then in, and hook that up towards the right. Let's draw the bottom edge of the headband tucked in behind the eyebrow. We're going to start over on the left. Let's go through the eyebrow, up in the middle, and then down towards the right. On the ends, draw two straight lines coming down towards the jaw. And then we'll round out the bottom of the head. Curve this down and in towards the middle, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's add some hair along the side of the head. From the top corner, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down, bend this up and then out. Let's fill the side of the hair in black. Now I'm going to draw the first spike going out towards the left. From the top corner of the head, go up, and then bend that out. Just going to bring this in and then down. Let's add a larger spike. I'm going to go up and over towards the left, go all the way across, and then bring that down. Now before we add in that last spike, let's go back down and draw the top edge of the headband. From the left side, we're going to step up. I'm just going to taper this so the headband gets wider as we go out towards the right about there. Now add some hair coming down. Go across, around the corner of the head, and then down. Let's bend this out and then up towards the top. Just going to scoop this down, go up, and then tuck this in behind the top of the headband. Now I'm going to add one more point along the right side, going up and across, bring this in and then down in behind that hair. Now I want to add some highlights across the hair. Let's start on the top left, bend this in, come all the way down, and just taper down towards that bottom point. Let's add a highlight along the top, going up, tapering this across towards the right. Now I'm going to add a zigzag across the top of the head. From this point, curve this up and in, then this across and then down, and one point going up. Now you want to trace this along the bottom, coming down, bring this up, come down, go up towards the top, and just blend that out towards the side. Let's trace out the top. Just adding that highlight going up, and this across towards the right. And it comes down and hook that up, bend this down towards the bottom, go up, and then just blend that down towards the side. Now let's switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the hair going around those highlights. Now over on the left side of the head, let's draw the end of the headband. We'll start up here, bend this down, and then out. Let's flatten off the end, and we'll just taper that back up towards the side of the head. Now for the body, we just want to shift this out towards the right side. Let's start on the left side of the head, bend this across, and then down towards the bottom of the jacket. Move over towards the right and draw that same curve. Let's add in the collar. On the left, bend this up, go all the way out towards the outside. Line this up over on the right side, bend this up and out underneath the head. Let's bend the collar, going back up and in underneath the head. Now I'm going to bend the arm going in towards the hip. Let's start from this point, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the elbow. Bend the arm coming down and then in towards the wrist. Let's round out the cuff, going around and then up toward the top. I'm just going to pull this out and then up. Halfway along the top of the forearm, bend the arm going up and then in. Now let's place the hand underneath the cuff. From the top, step down, bend this out and then down. Flatten off the edge of the hand with a straight line. Bend the hand going up and then back out underneath the cuff. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to curve the jacket going out and then up underneath the hand. And then we'll close off the side of the body with a curve. Let's place the right hand on top of the shoulder. So we'll start from the collar, bend this up and then out. And then from the ends, just going to angle this, coming down and out towards the bottom of the hand. Close off the bottom with a curve. Now to place that staff in that same angle. From the corners of the hand, let's step in, draw two straight angled lines, coming all the way down towards the bottom of the staff. Let's connect the bottom with a curve going out. Go back to the bottom, curving the opposite direction. Let's extend the staff in behind the head. So we're going to line up the top, in between the head and the hand. Let's line this up on the left side of the head, extend it out and then up towards the end. Let's draw that same line along the bottom. Come in behind the head. Close out the top with a curve. Now I'm going to add some detail to the end of the staff. From the left side, step down, add one curve. Step down, draw that again. And leave a large gap and draw two more curves. Let's go to the bottom and do the same thing. Stepping up, add one curve. Another one, go all the way up and add two more. Let's wrap the back side of the hand in behind the staff. Starting from this point, curve this down and in, curve this across and then down. Let's draw a straight angle line going all the way up, then this in underneath. Let's go back to the inside corner of the jacket, bend this out and then up, curve the jacket going up and then in underneath the hand. Now we're going to draw in the elbow, starting underneath the staff, bend this down, and just tuck that up towards the side of the body. Let's add two pockets along the side, bend this up and in. A straight line coming down, bend this back out towards the side. Let's add that symbol over on the left side. We're going to start with a half oval, going all the way around. Add another curve along the side. Go out in an angle. And then round out the bottom. Let's add a circle going in behind. Now on the right side of the jacket along the inside, draw a straight line coming in. Bend this down towards the bottom, and then come back out. Let's separate the zipper in half with a straight line. Then we'll separate the top and the bottom. Now just underneath the jacket, let's draw the bottom of the shirt. We're going to come down, and then bend that up. Let's add that target symbol in the center of the body. We're going to start with an oval right in the middle of the body. Just going to tuck that up in behind the zipper. Continue on the right. Now I want to draw three more curves along the top. We'll start with one, 2, and then 3. Now we're going to do the same thing across the bottom. Going once, twice, and 3 times. Now we're going to fill the outer trim in black. Now we're going to move down and draw on the legs. In the center of the body, let's step down at a curve, going up and then out towards the right. Now in the middle, draw 2 straight lines coming down. Now in the center of the body, draw a straight line coming down along the inside of the right leg, all the way down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go back up to the top, step over towards the left. I'm just going to angle this down and then out. Now I'm going to flatten off the bottom of the left foot, go straight out towards the side. On the end, let's angle the foot going up and in. I'm just going to angle this up towards the inside edge of the foot. Let's draw that same angle coming down. Now from this point, angle the foot coming down towards the inside of the leg, and we'll draw that same angle going all the way up towards the top. From the outside of the foot, let's step in, draw another straight angle line going up and in behind the body. Let's do the same thing on the right side, but we're going to angle the foot forward. So starting from the inside, draw a straight line going out. Let's go up toward the top of the foot, angle this up and then in, draw a short angle line coming down. Now I'm going to pull this all the way up toward the top of the body. Let's go back to this point, draw a straight line coming down. Let's go back up to the hip and bend the leg going out and then down on top of the foot, leaving a little overlap on the top right corner. Now let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to step up, go across, just going a little higher on the inside, and then angling that back down. Let's add a half circle on the front of the foot. Let's draw a small oval on the inside of the leg. And then along the top, I'm just going to angle this up and in, angle this back down, line that up on the right side. Let's trace the edge of the boot along the top. Now we're going to add a small rectangle on the front of the leg. Now let's go back and bend the back side of the hand in behind. Starting from the top of the cuff, coming down and in. Just going to pull this up underneath, and then sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of the Monkey Kid. I really enjoyed drawing with you today, and I hope you did too. And if you enjoyed this lesson, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.